This is ZTE Axon 25G, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can bypass parental controls on this device. So here, as you can see, I have my phone restricted by the parental controls, so they are absolutely active. So in order to turn them off without having to grant any additional parental permission or authorization, you will need to open Settings, then enter the Google category. Onwards, tap at the Manage Your Google Account button. Next order of business is to open the Data and Privacy page. Then go all the way to the bottom of it, and in here tap at the Delete Your Google Account option. Now, in order to continue, we will need to verify that it's us by entering the password to the child's account. So let me do exactly that off the screen, obviously. Then you will be forwarded to the Delete Your Google Account page. So in here, check those two boxes and, well, delete your account by tapping at the respective button. At this point, the parental controls were successfully gotten rid of or deactivated, so let me quickly prove that to you. So in here, as you can see, there is no Google account added or linked, and if I will open up the list of parental controls, there will be none. So the parental controls were successfully deactivated. The last thing that I wanted to do is to show how you can recover the account that you have just deleted, so it will not be lost. You will need to do that by simply signing into any Google app with it. So let's say I'll go with Google Play Store, why not? So enter the email address. Then after inputting the email, you should get the following message. So after you will read and skip the message, enter your Google account password and hit the next button. And then just proceed with the Google sign-in as you would normally do. And as you can see, that will be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.